Hey guys, had a great weekend. I hope you did as well. Time to show you the 66 Westy SO42 that I picked up last week. Had a great time at the show this weekend. Went to Transporter Fest. Got to meet a couple of great guys from up in New Hampshire. Also got to meet Jody from Vintage VW Sales, which was cool as well. Great show. You guys, if you've never been, it was my first time. It was a really cool place and a great show, so don't miss it next year. So let's show you the bus. So as I said, it's a 66 SO42. M codes say it's a factory 12 volt bus, which is very cool. Dog legs, floors are shot. Very shot. Parcel chair on the left side, I'll show you in a minute. It's got a hole in it. Does not have the original seats, and I was looking for seats, and I can tell you I was shocked at the prices of seats. You know, I'm gonna be really mad. Oh no, I didn't need those. I didn't need those doors at the show. I didn't need those side doors. No, I didn't need those. I had a chance to buy a set of doors, but I didn't. Anyway, so here's the interior. You can see we got some nice mold going in there. It's gonna need the tent, obviously, and the springs are broken too. So I've been looking up all these parts for these campers. See, I'm missing my little piece there, but pretty complete and in pretty good shape, I think. Anyway, so it's both tables. There's spice rack still here. What else can I show you? The lower front of the nose is really crispy. Windshield area is pretty crispy too, but got a nice dent there. Gonna need the molding around that as well. But yeah, look at these doors. These things are gone. Like I said, the floors are gone. Here's that. You can see. I don't know if the mice kind of made a home in there, or the water settled into that corner, but you can see that might have happened too. The water came down and then settled down in there. So that's kind of a bummer. Oh, that is a bummer. But again, wrong seats. But I was pretty stoked with the interior. Got a hole. Try to zoom in here. Yeah, I got a rot spot there, which is a really weird spot for a rot spot. Mice must have got up in there. Must have been living in there. But what else? I just noticed this little rockers may have already been repaired. Underneath needs some work. I don't know how much you can see. The main floor is not too bad. You can see that's gone. That's gone. The actual floor from under here doesn't look too bad. I think I showed these already, but those are factory side turn signals. There's an M code for them, which I thought was pretty neat. Motor wise, I don't think it's got the original, no, it's got an H motor in it. Receptacle plug there. Power plug. I've seen some that have the outlet here, so I'm not sure if when it was painted they just filled it in, which is possible. Maybe you guys can give me a little more heads up on that. It's a 66. But anyway, so yeah, Jody hooked me up with some keys, buddy. I need some keys. So what else? Let me get one of those. That's about it. Like I said, everything's pretty much in it. The old ones are still in it. That's good. All four. Very good. I don't need to buy those. So yeah, this is it, man. Well, that might be a crack. This is it. Yeah, that's cracked. Got a crack in the fridge. So I'm very stoked and happy to own this. As I said, thanks to Dubworks. Dubworks alerted me to this thing for sale, and yeah. And I went and got it. Doors. How did I not buy those doors? Oh, I'm going back. I'm coming up to New Hampshire for my doors. I can't believe I didn't buy those doors. Alright, well there's the 66. Thanks for checking in. Appreciate the comments, and hope you guys are having a great day. Take care.